we hear a lot of horror stories. And unfortunately, sometimes, we can help people, sometimes we can't help people. But the most important thing is to take the advice of your insurance agent, who's going to try to steer you to the best solution to your situation. There are many situations that we hear about and personal experience where, and it doesn't matter if you're rich or poor. Not having enough insurance can hurt you if you're rich, can hurt you if you're poor, just on different levels. There are many cases in which some people, let's say, don't carry umbrella insurance or excess liability insurance. And their underlying insurance that they have is not sufficient enough because the severity of the situation that came up was so big that their underlying insurance couldn't handle it, and that's why they needed an umbrella policy. And sometimes even having an umbrella policy, you have to understand how much extra insurance people need. It's okay to have an umbrella policy, but should it be for $1 million? Should it be for $2 million? Should it be for $5 million? Should it be for $10 million? And that may seem to make people think, oh, that's for rich people. That's for rich people. But the way it works today, people go after everybody's assets in a situation because, they're hurt in an accident, and the other person is deemed liable, and an attorney who's working for the plaintiff goes ahead and tries, to get as much money for their client as possible. So even a person of modest means, but that may own a home, needs more insurance than perhaps somebody who doesn't. An older person may need more insurance because maybe they're financially set for now and they've got every dollar that they can think of is all mapped out, and we know we can live on this budget, for the next 25 years. And all of a sudden something comes along and they have a situation and they're not properly insured and they lose their home. It can be a devastating experience for an older person, for a younger person. And that's why it's important not only to, make sure that you tell your insurance agency your entire situation, but also to take some advice.